Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Unboxing video today for you. New subscription for me. I seem to have took out 3, 4 recently. I'm really gonna have to stop because I'm just getting that much stuff now. But anyway, new subscription box just arrived in the post and it is Latest in Beauty. Here we go. And Latest in Beauty, for anybody who doesn't know, it's a UK subscription box. You can pay monthly. You can also do 3, 6 or 12 month pre-payment plans. Cost of the box is £15 a month if you're going to do it monthly. However, at the moment, running until the end of January, there is an amazing offer on their website. If you sign up and do the 12-month prepaid subscription, it would normally cost you £165 to pay for the year. However, if you use the code PRESAVE45, which of course I will link down below for you all, you actually save £45, so you get a 12-month prepaid subscription for £120. Now, it's January. It's a lot of money to have spare-ish to pay out all in one go. However, that is exactly what I have done, because it basically then brings the cost of the box down from £15 a month to just £10 a month, and that includes your P&P as well. Latest in Beauty is slightly different to other subscription boxes in that you get to choose the contents of your box. They will send you an email at the beginning of the month and saying this is what we've got. You go on the site, you log in and you pick your items. Now, another thing quickly to mention, they do different sizes of boxes, and the Pre-Save 45 offer is on the Beauty Enthusiast box, which is the box where you get 6 items. There's a box where you can get 3 and there's a box where you can get 9. Go on the website and have a look and look at all the details around it. But yeah, because I went for the 12-month prepaid subscription box, I have 6 items in here. Now, the only thing I will say is, I don't know if you're going to quite be able to see, the box has come a bit battered, it has to be said. It was just in a plastic Royal Mail, you know, sticky baggy thing, but there was no bubble wrap or anything around this, so it has got a bit bashed. So I haven't opened it yet, so fingers crossed the products inside are okay. Let's open it up and have a look, and I will show you what I chose, if I can remember and if I can go in the box. There we go. Here we are. So it's the Beauty SOS Edit. That's the one that they're doing for January. And here we go. There we go. So I have to say, maybe not the best packaged inside, but like I say, alright, first item I chose was by the skincare company Pai. These are supposed to be very nice. They're quite a pricey brand, and it's vegan and cruelty free, and it's the Lightwork Rosehip Cleansing Oil. It's quite a nice little cardboard thing that it comes in, tells you all about it, and obviously there's the product in the middle. There we go, and it's in a tube, so that's nice. This might be nice for taking away on holiday, actually. But yeah, so that's the first product that I thought I would try. Next in the box, oh yeah, I've got this for my brother-in-law. I'm creating, like, for his Christmas present this year. He's just started getting into all skincare and things like that. So I'm creating like a little bit of a hamper and a sample kit for him to put different products in for him to try. And so when I saw this, I thought, oh, that seems like a good size product. And it is. It's the Bulldog Shave Oil. So not a shave foam or a shaving cream, but a shave oil. And this is a 30ml bottle, so I thought that was a really good size. So that's going in his little kit. And the next one, oh yes, now then. Wanted to I know these are, a lot of these are like sample sizes or mini sizes, but, and I know you can probably get these as a freebie, whatever. But I wanted to try these, and we don't have a franchise store or anything or a stand that sells this product near me. And it's a little bit controversial, but it is a brand, although it wasn't on my list of brands that I want to try. It is a brand on there that I want to try, and I didn't mention it because supposedly it's controversial. So, but I'm like, you know what, I really want to try this brand. So, nanas to it, basically, is what I thought. So I'm in the process of getting a few bits. But it's Kat Von D. And this is her perfume, and it's 2 samples. You've got the Saint or the Sinner perfume. Yeah, so let's have a little quick spritz. Oh, that's nice. That's, oh, that reminds me of something. Sorry, that's just right up my nose. Oh, that's lovely. That reminds me of another one, actually. It does say the Saint one is dreamy, romantic, alluring. And then on the Sinner one, it says dark, sultry and empowering. I'll spray this way. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Now I did wonder if the Sinner one was potentially more for a man. Don't ask me why, I just did. But smell wise, yeah. But that is definitely a scent that I should smell really nice on me. So I'm excited to try those. Wow. Oh, the room smells lovely now. Apart from the fact I've got a really tickly nose, but anyway. And the next item I chose, so I've got 3 sorted already. The next item I chose is from the company Patchology, and they are some under eye masks. I got a couple of under my eye masks in my Tribe Beauty box for December. If you've not watched that video, I'll link it up here for you now. And I tried them about a week or so ago, and I was actually really quite impressed with it. We got 2 sets in that Tribe box, so since I've used one, I've got 1 left. I thought I would pick up some more because I was quite impressed with those, so that's why I've got those ones. Next item in the box is, did I pick this? I don't actually remember. Can't actually remember, but I must have done. It's by a company called Codex Beauty, and it's an exfoliating wash. And this is a 30ml size. Just trying to, it's milk thistle and elderflower. Yeah, place a small amount of the cleanser on the tips of clean fingers and gently massage the entire face and neck area with small circular movements, then rinse off with warm water for daily use. So let's have a look. Oh, it's a pump. All right, I didn't expect that. Let's have a look. So it says it's an exfoliating cleanser. And it comes out, it's like a white cream, and I can feel the tiniest little bit of exfoliating agent. Can you see it there on my hand? I don't know if it's like sugar crystals. No, it's not sugar crystals, not hard enough to be sugar. That actually, oh, it feels really nice and it smells amazing. Oh wow, that smells lovely and fresh and clean. Be interesting to try that. I like that, and the fact it's a pump actually works. I think that's quite good. So I'm just going to get a wipe and wipe that off my hand. So if I just let that dry, because we'll imagine that's some water. Oh, that does smell beautiful. And so the sixth and final product in my bag, or my box I should say, is the Lip Dual Lipstick and Stain in the shade 06 Sheer Bravery. Now, on the website, this looked to be a really dark colour. However, I've since seen, I think it was Claire from Diary of a Beauty Geek, she ordered this in her December box, I think it was, and it came and it was a completely different colour. But I didn't watch that video until I'd ordered this, so we'll see. Oh no, I have got the colour that I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a purpley colour, and it looks as though it is. Claire thought she was ordering the purpley one, the darker one, but when it came it was more like a nude. Oh, I'm just feeling now where that cleanser has been, and I can feel where it's not been on my hand. Feels lovely. Here we go. So you've got one end is like a liquid lip. There we go. So we'll just do a little swatch. Ooh. It's like a raspberry colour. Look at that. Ooh, that's yummy. Isn't that nice? It's quite sheer. It's more sheer than I thought it was going to be. And then this end is a bullet lipstick end. There you go. So let's put that at the side. Wow, that's really, really buttery, really soft. Now, I'm not sure how long lasting the bullet lipstick side of that will be, but you can see how it's meant to work, where you put the lip stain underneath. That then gives you the hint colour, then you go over the top with the bullet, and once that one's worn off, then you've still got the stain underneath. So, yeah. So I'm pleased with that. I'm pleased to try that. I love the colours. The colours are something a bit different. And I think the lip stain side, you know, you could actually just wear that. If you just wanted a hint of colour, you could just wear that on its own as well. And that's everything in my box. That's it. So we've got the Lip Dual Lip Stain and Lipstick. I believe that is a full-size product, so that's really good. The eye gels, they're obviously a full-size product. I'm not sure if that's a full-size product, I'll have to check that out. But that's, again, a really good size. We've got the duo of the Kat Von D perfumes. We've got the really good size, in fact, again, I think this might be full-size, or certainly like a half-size version of the shave oil. And shave oils, you know, they're not just for men, ladies, seriously. I use, from the Body Shop, I use the men's shaving cream with an old-fashioned shaving brush. And that's what I use to do my shaving with. And I do not get any skin reactions. It's the only time I haven't, because phones and things used to do that to me. But now, since I swapped to the cream, not a problem. And then the tester of the Pai cleansing oil. So that's all my products there. If I can try and hold them in both hands. I mean, I have only got kiddie size hands, so it's a wee bit difficult. There we go. Oops, no, they're falling. Dropping everything. There we go. That's everything in my box. So that's my 6 items, and it's cost me £10. It's not bad, is it? £10 for that lot. I'm quite happy with that. But anyway, let me know what you think down below in the comments. I love to hear your thoughts and feelings. You often do brighten my day, I have to say. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. As always, please make sure you subscribed, turn that notification bell on, and if you've not caught up or you've missed a couple of videos recently, or you're new to my channel, I'll pop a couple of other things that I've done up here for you now. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye!